Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
You'll begin by preparing the phone and car. Make sure Bluetooth is on and Do Not Disturb is off. Plug an Apple-certified Lightning cable into the iPhone and the USB CarPlay jack, or initiate Bluetooth pairing if your vehicle supports wireless CarPlay. Once done, unlock your iPhone and accept any prompts. This authorizes the connection and shares permissions. If the vehicle prompts for a USB source, select CarPlay or smartphone. These steps ensure the system recognizes the phone and starts the CarPlay handshake. Now focus on diagnosing the middle layer. Restart both devices, power cycle the iPhone and the car's head unit, because temporary glitches often clear that way. Make sure to forget the car in iPhone settings CarPlay and then re-add it, which forces a fresh pairing. Check the physical cable and swap USB ports. A bad port or cable is a common culprit. Also verify the car's infotainment firmware is current. Outdated firmware can block CarPlay even when the phone is configured correctly. To finish, confirm CarPlay functions by opening Maps, Phone, and Music. Speak a navigation request to test Siri and audio routing. If problems persist, back up the car settings and perform a factory reset of the infotainment system, because corrupted profiles can block CarPlay. Once done, repair the phone. If that still fails, test with a different iPhone to isolate the fault. If the other phone works, the original iPhone needs service. If not, contact the dealer or Apple for hardware diagnostics.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.